Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed. Today, we're going to learn how to use VLOOKUP in Excel to pull data from one sheet to another or across multiple sheets. In today's example, we'll use VLOOKUP in Excel to find employee details across different department sheets. If you work in HR, finance, or just deal with large data sets, this is a must-know Excel skill. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pull employee data from one sheet to another in Excel, automatically update department sheets with VLOOKUP. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding the HR dataset. Imagine you're an HR manager and you have an HR master sheet which contains all employee data columns like ID, name, department, job title, salary, and join date. Department sheets, sales, marketing, IT, that only have employee ID and name, but you need to pull their salary, job title, or join date from the master sheet, which is a separate sheet in our scenario. Instead of manually copying and pasting, we'll use VLOOKUP to automate this. Part 2. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It searches for a value in one table and returns matching data from another column based on a unique identifier, in our case, the employee ID. So based on the employee ID, we'll look up and retrieve our desired data from multiple sheets. The formula has 4 parts. Lookup value, what you're searching for, example, the employee ID. Table array, where to search, for example, HR master columns, A to F. Column index, which column has the data you want. For salary, it's the 5th column in the data table, so we'll use 5. If we need a different column, we'll adjust the index number accordingly. Exact match. False means find an exact match. Part 3. Pulling salary into sales sheet. In the sales sheet, we have employee IDs and names, but we need their salaries from the HR master sheet. Employee ID E101, E104 is in column B of the HR master sheet. Salary is in column F. Let's write the VLOOKUP formula. Practice sheet link is provided in the video description. Click on the cell where you want the salary to appear. In our case, it is D7. A 2, the employee ID we're searching for, example E101. Table arrange is HR master, where all our data is available. 5. Salary is the 5th column. The condition we will select as false to get the exact match. Press enter and the salary will appear. Now drag the formula down to fill salaries for all employees. Excel automatically pulls the data. No manual work needed. Part 4. Another example. Pulling job title. Let's try another example. Pulling job titles from the HR master sheet into the sales department sheet. In the sales sheet, click where you want the job title to appear. In our case, it is E7. Everything will be same, but this time shall give the column index number as 4, because the job title is 4th column in HR master. Press enter and the job title appears. Repeat these steps for other departments, for example IT, marketing. Let me know in the comments if you face any issues. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tips. Drop questions below, I'll reply. See you next time.